Hi there everyone, Rick here from Workshop Solutions, and I'm here to talk to you about extreme bucket dollies from Workshop Solutions. This particular device is a bucket dolly. It accommodates a 5-gallon bucket with many different accessories though. You can put on a tool apron. This one here is also from Workshop Solutions. It's of a very high denier material. It accommodates up to 61 different pockets for drill bits, drill motors, screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, even throwing a fire extinguisher if you want. Very robust, great on a job site, whether you're using this with or without the bucket dolly. Now this bucket dolly here, there again is made out of a high density polyethylene structural foam, but it has a pull handle. The seat here / workbench is rated for 300 pounds displaced weight load. Right underneath the seat here, another full shelf with compartments in it so that you can put wire nuts in it or lug nuts while you're doing a brake job or removing tires. Speaking of tires, this here has solid casters, 4 of them at 5 inches. This one here has a very robust locking brake. So this product here, sitting down on the job, I can tell you, is a lot more efficient than it used to be, and also ergonomically friendly. It helps keep the pressure off your knees, back, ankles. So while you're rolling around, you have this pull handle, you grab it, or you can attach it to like a 2-shelf cart and use it in multiple different ways. Very diverse product line, and a lot of thought went into this. I think you'll be happy with it. So look forward to seeing you down the road at Workshop Solutions. Thanks and have a great day.